So, would you believe the birth of Clean Futures? Just had the van sign written a couple of days ago, and it's on its first mission today as a sign written van. We're on the Harwood estate. We've just been talking to our first customer, who is behind me. Just had a bins cleaned. Would like us to come back and do a regular clean on the van, regular clean on the bin. We've also, while we were cleaning, one of the neighbours has come out and talked to us about having the side of a panel wall um, cleaned off because it's got some green algae on it, which is stuff that we can do. We've got the wash facilities. We'll have the access facilities to be able to clean that off for her. If you have a look, just turn the camera around. It's the white apex in this side of this wall here. While we've been talking about that, she's also mentioned that she needs somebody to help out with the weeding. The lady's retired, and it's too much work for herself and her husband. So we'll be looking at which of our young people can come and help out with that. So we're on a mission. We're on a mission. We're in the area. If you need any odd jobs doing, even if you don't see it written on the van, it's still something that we'll be able to do for you. And the last thing I want to tell you as well is that we're going to be not far from here at the White Horse every Thursday, and myself and the people that we're supporting will be out washing cars, valeting cars. So if you're around on a Thursday, come over to the White Horse and support us. As you know, we're supporting young people. We're trying to get people, we're trying to build confidence for people, give them an experience of work, get them showing up, get them working in teams, and trying to give them an opportunity to develop their own skills. So if you come down to the White Horse on a Thursday, then you'll be supporting us. And we need all the support we can get. So thanks for listening, and we hope to see you down there.